Hi everyone, my name is Brett and I am a fourth year graduate student here at Minnesota. I work with Vlad Prebiog and my research is generally at the intersection of topology, superconductivity, and electronic devices. And in this little video I want to talk to you about a couple things. The first thing is what it's like to be in condensed matter experiment here. And then the other is what it's like to do your PhD in Minneapolis, because I would assume, if you're thinking about doing this, you're considering two things. One is, how's this going to prepare me for where I want to be? And will it get me there? And then the second one is, okay, we've got 5 or 60 years here, and do I want to spend my life in a certain place for 5 or 6 years? I mean, what's that going to be like? And so what I'm going to hope to convince you is, here in Minneapolis and at University of Minnesota, you can have both. You can have both. So I'll start with condensed matter experiment. And my experience here in condensed matter experiment has been, it's kind of a community-based experience. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is that, I work with Vlad, but at the same time, I collaborate with Paul Kroll. We're on a grant together. I've written a manuscript with Rafael Fernandez, who's a theorist. I'm currently in a collaboration with Fiona Burnell, who's a theorist. I've worked with Tiran Biral, who does computational work. Every Friday we have condensed matter sack lunches, where the theorists, the experimentalists, the students, the professors, we all get together. A student presents his or her work, and everyone gives feedback, and we say, okay, did you think about this? Or let's discuss these results, or here's some new ideas. And professors want you to come to them with questions and with ideas and with, did I understand that talk correctly? Or, I've got this data that I don't quite understand. What do I do with it? Or here's this idea that I have for my next round of experiments. What do you think? Am I thinking through all the details? And I think they want that interaction. At least that's been my experience. And in so doing, you have a whole community that's trying to help you get to your next stage of where you want to be. And, if that's academics, you have that. You have that support here in Minnesota and that expertise. So that's one. It's highly collaborative, both, within experiment, but also with theorists. And so you've kind of got the whole shebang, if you will, here. So that's, professionally, during your week, you've got all that, and hopefully if you come here and really anywhere, you put in a good week's work. But at the end of the week, you want to unwind a little bit, and then the question becomes, what do you do? And what is there to do? And here in Minneapolis, I would say that you've got more than you could ask for. For me, I like both sports and music. So early on, I was involved in an adult soccer league. Great way to stay active and meet people off the bat. Currently, I sing at the Basilica of St. Mary. I'm in the choir there, and I've really enjoyed that. For entertainment, it gets to Saturday night, put in a long week's work. What do I do Saturday night? You've got the Guthrie for musicals and plays. You've got the Minnesota Orchestra, been there multiple times. Great student discount. You've got the Minnesota Twins. You've got the Minnesota United with the professional sports programs. You've got art shows across the city, breweries everywhere. I've been happy in terms of, stuff to do. There's always something to do. So, on the two questions of, will this prepare me for where I want to be? I think the answer is yes. And you've got a whole cohort of people who want to help get you there. You got to put in the work, but, given that, they want to help you get there as well. And then the second part is, 5 or 6 years, am I going to enjoy my time here? And so far as Minneapolis goes, I would say yes, I have. So I hope that helps. Good luck with your process, and I hope you give Minnesota a hard look, because I think we've got a lot to offer. So good luck. Thanks for your time.